Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so again click on settings app, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen rotation not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.